In this module, we're going to talk about the organisational specific knowledge framework that AI agents need to do a job for your business and you. Context is about bringing together framing knowledge that helps agents to know who they're working for and their ultimate purpose. It's almost like answering the "why do I exist" question that troubles humans. Every organisation works, thinks and acts differently. At one time, people used to think organisations should work like machines, with humans acting like cogs in production lines. Nowadays, we see organisations more in terms of an organism, because ultimately, it's the purpose, drive and enthusiasm of humans that defines success of any business. We need to have a workforce that wants to work. We need customers who want to buy. And we need investors who want to invest. Unlike humans, AI agents rely on data as an input to drive their activities. That means your AI agents need all the knowledge of your enterprise in a machine-readable format that includes both the explicit and tacit knowledge that not only describes what the company does and how it works, but also the purpose, the strategy, values, culture, stakeholders, and the many other organisational aspects of the organisational design. For AI agents to work at their best, each agent in your organisation needs to acquire the core single version of the truth that describes the makeup of your business. You can imagine it as an organisational blueprint that defines the digital DNA of your organisation and its design. This machine-readable data model enables any agent to consistently describe your organisation in detail, including its financials, key stakeholders, customer value, brand, and audiences. Surprisingly, most organisations today don't write down or capture this information in a machine-readable data format. It's in people's heads, on spreadsheets, and in word processing documents. It's fragmented across different applications and systems, operated by departmental silos. Therefore, while this knowledge is critical to getting the most out of your AI agents, gathering it and gaining consensus on what represents a single version of the truth becomes a project in its own right. And this is why Newton Day created synthesis. Synthesis is a journey to harvesting the organisation's digital DNA in the form of a complete collection of data tables and a data model that presents a holistic and complete view of the organisation designed in data. Depending on the size of your business, this knowledge today might exist in the heads of one or two people, but it might also be scattered far and wide across departments. Therefore, the approach taken to gather up this knowledge will vary according to the size of the company. Nevertheless, the output will always be the same. What we are looking to produce are 4 statements that completely describe the company, its brand, its product and customer value, and its customer audience. When combined with the code of conduct, these 4 statements equip agents with everything they need to know how to perform consistently and at their best. It may be that your organisation has decided it doesn't have the time to perform a full synthesis exercise, and some less invasive, more expedient approach is the way to go. If that's the case, then we've provided Byron with a script he can run through with you to specify a rough company and product statement. Should you decide to go the short haul approach, it's a good idea to run through the synthesis exercise the next time you review your business strategy. Ultimately, there is no shortcut that will overcome the challenge of equipping your AI agents with your most complete organisational knowledge. No matter what approach you take to creating your statements, it's inevitable that this single version of the truth content about your organisation will quickly fall out of date. Therefore, you should not see this exercise as an end game, it's more of a down payment on your investment in making AI agents work in a way that brings a competitive advantage to your enterprise.